What's up, guys? How are you doing? So today uh, just wanna take you through the Nairobi Expressway, and we just wanna see the progress so far. So if you're new, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and if you're returning, thank you. So you can see along the path, just below, below the just tarmac, everything's falling into the right place so far, and the express is looking just so good. So they're still applying some, they're still tarmacking around. Then on this side they haven't fixed the post of the parliament on your way to William Hill. They haven't tarmacked the express. It's still in progress, but just doing so far. So they haven't installed the security lights around. But anyway, so far so good. We can't complain. So I think there's traffic jam because they are. This place is so sticky. Just so sticky. And this thing, you can see maybe the drainage system is just okay. So on this side, it's just the ongoing beautification underground, but everything looks okay. One thing is that I can say that the construction of Express Highway, they have considered even keeping the environment so clean, keeping the environment green. all these pillars will be covered down by those beautiful flowers. No, so that's it. This one. Then this what will join. It's like an entrance point, entrance stroke exit.